Hi guys, Rachel here, and I'm going to show you another pre-owned, and it is kind of raining outside, sprinkling a little bit, so I have my jacket on, but we're going to look at a Dutchman, and I don't know the year yet, but I'm excited to show you because it's got a nice long slide. It's got a lot more space than I thought, so let's take a look from the outside in and you tell me what you think. All right, let's go. Hey guys. We've got a Coleman Dutchman. It is a 2019 model 245RK, so it's got a nice rear kitchen. Like I said, it has a nice big slide. I love that, and it's in great condition. It looks good. They kept it very well. It's got two doors, a beautiful awning with that LED lights. Got speakers out here as well. You also have your electric stabilizers as well, which is really nice, but let's take a look inside. All right, so I don't know if you can see how much space you have in here, but it is a lot of space. All right, so right to my left, we have our kitchen, our rear kitchen area. We've got our nice size fridge right here. Fridge and freezers, plenty of room in here to put your goods. Got some storage up there. I love this. They have a cutting board on top, which is nice, but you got your 3-burner, a nice oven, and a microwave. You've got a nice big sink, beautiful windows around it, some backsplash, I love that backsplash, and a nice countertop. You got drawers on the bottom and on top. Again, I think they kept this in really, really good condition. Over here we've got our entertainment area, so you can put your TV right here. You've got some storage underneath, which is nice. Storage up above as well, and then you do have some more storage here. Very nice, but a lot of area, so a big TV can go right here. You've got your couch over here with two big windows right behind, and your dinette right here, of course, can go into bed. Just as this can go into a bed, and that can go into a bed. Down here we've got our bathroom, which is it's nice and big. Got plenty of space in here to do your thing. A nice big shower as well. So really nice, nice big bathroom. Plenty of space in that bathroom. And then right through here we've got our master bedroom. And you can definitely walk on both sides of this. You've got storage on both sides. You've got the side tables as well. You also have some storage up there, but plenty of space. Plus this is also where your other door is, so it's really nice that you have that in your master bedroom as well. But what do you guys think of this unit? I really think it's in great condition. So if you're looking for something, just a coach, just to get out there, maybe you need something to live in, this is a great unit, so much space. But if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. You can call, text, or email. Of course, my information is down below, but until next time.